Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and we have a possible data breach, but we're not sure. And it has to do with a growing online seller, which is TEMU, and they've been actually actively, advertising themselves everywhere. So, what we know right now is that a hacker group says that they've hacked into TEMU with some of their website vulnerabilities that were hacked, and that they stole credentials of information from customers and millions of names, passwords, and all sorts of things. Now, TEMU did respond back to Bleeping Computer that was asking them, "Are you compromised? Was there a data theft?" And TEMU persists and saying, "Nope, we've not been hacked. This is not true." So, who's saying the truth here? It's tough to see, to know. One thing for sure is that the hacker group that claims they've hacked TEMU did not show any proof, so we don't know. And of course, on the other side, TEMU says we're not being hacked. So if you are a TEMU customer, two things are to apply to stay safe. First of all, change your password. That's one of the simplest form of staying safe. If they do have passwords, well, possibly they won't have the new one. And enable two-factor authentication. We talk about that all the time. People are annoyed at this, but you know what? Two-factor authentication is very, very good at keeping an account safe, because without having access to your phone or to that second way of authenticating, they just can't get in. So do tell everybody that you know that might be shopping on TEMU to also do the same. Educate everyone that they might need to change their password would be very, very important. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.